this, and my viewpoint is it's not fire, it's don't hire. And this is from my understanding from being an automation leader and
That's
driving
true.
stuff in Gen AI. So if we don't fire anybody, one, we're creating a better environment for people. But then, of course, like leaders go, but we have to fire people because like of turnover. There's automatically attrition and turnover that will happen automatically. But if you take a stance of we're not going to fire you when we bring on new technology and new innovations, but we can move you around. And the reason why you don't want to fire people is because it takes 6 months to get somebody on to train them anyway. Why not just
Yes.
move that person from one place to another, support them, and they already understand the business, they already understand the people. And if you were to mitigate someone's whole role and not fire them and just move them, do you know what you just created? You created a change agent. You created a
Yeah.
leader, someone that says, hey guys, I'm going to tell everybody they didn't fire me. You know how cool that is? This company is
Right.
amazing. And then, so when you say don't fire, you just say, or not fire, you say not fire, you just say don't hire. And really, you're not hiring just anybody. You're not hiring people for bodies.